Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have something a little different. Today we are, well, maybe not today, but like throughout the week we are prepping for hot girl summer. It is May 18th, Tuesday. It is 12:45 in the afternoon and I woke up maybe like an hour or two ago, and we have a lot on our schedule. So the first rule of order is going to be our hair. Okay, the plan is to get some feed-in braids, some tiny ones like this picture right here. This is my inspiration, except mine are gonna be all red because obviously my hair is all red. So this is the hair and it's extra long, y'all. I want my hot girl summer style to be extra long. I also want to do beads at the end of my hair, so yes girl, we're gonna be I slap you with my hair. That's the goal. Our first rule of order is to go ahead and deal with our own hair. So I do want to blow my hair out because I want it to be as straight as possible. I'm gonna go ahead, I bought some heat protectant and I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush and we're gonna go ahead and blow my hair out.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking out like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination.
Alrighty you guys, so now that the hair is done, y'all saw, we're gonna get into skincare. Okay, nails is probably gonna be the last thing I do, only because the last time I had nails was the very beginning of my semester. So we're talking like 17 weeks ago, maybe more. Okay, so whenever it's been a long time and I haven't had nails like that, it's kind of hard for me to function with them. So I'd rather just get everything done with my like body and my skincare and then go back and do my nails last. But yes, let's get on to skincare. All right, before you do anything regarding your skin, you want to make sure that your razor is clean as well as your hands. So the oil that I'm going to go into dermaplane with is the Sustain Oil Cleansing Protection. This is from Like It On Top. I worked with them a while back and I'm just going to put this all over my face. As always, you're gonna want to have something to wipe your razor off with, but yeah, let's go ahead and do this thing.
From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the thing. Alright, now that I'm done dermaplaning, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck my eyebrows, cause y'all know eyebrow upkeep is a must. We're done with dermaplaning and our eyebrows. We're going to go to the bathroom and we're gonna go ahead and wash our face again, just to get out all the oil residues and all that stuff. I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe Cream to Foam Cleanser. I have a skincare routine. It should be the video right before this one, but if not, I will link it up above and I show you guys exactly what I do. But I'm just about to wash my face, so. And now that I'm done washing my face, I'm gonna go ahead and go
and steam my face before I put on a mask. So I have my steamer. It's the Lenove steamer from Amazon. I will link it down below. I've used it in my pamper routines in the past. I'm just gonna fill it up with some water and then steam my face for about 10 minutes. The mask I'm going to go in with is the Teamy Detox Mask. I'm actually almost out of this, and I should still have a code with Teamy Blends. If I do, I'll put it up on the screen. And then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put these Pixie eye patches around my eye. I will do that after I put on the mask though.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me.
Alright, now I'm gonna let this sit until the mask dries, and then I'll probably wash it out in the shower. It's been well over like 30 minutes at this point, so I am about to go in the shower, wash this off, and then come back. All right, and the last thing to do for tonight is skincare. We already washed my face, so I'm gonna go in with toner. I'm not gonna go into detail because I just posted a skincare routine, so y'all can just go watch that.
Can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy?
All right, so skincare routine is done. And that's all we're gonna do for today. I'm gonna come back in tomorrow, and tomorrow hopefully we can do body care as well as nails. All right, you guys, it is day 3 of prep for hot girl summer with me, and today I'm about to book a lash appointment. This wasn't originally in the plan, but I've decided that I want to be higher maintenance. I want to keep my lashes done, my nails done, my hair done. I feel like that's the least that I can do to pamper myself, and like if you look good you feel good, you get what I mean? So yes, I'm about to book a lash appointment. Found this girl on Instagram and her prices are very much promising. She's about 35 minutes away from me. I don't mind making that drive. Okay, we're just gonna book her for Thursday. How about that? May 27th.
Will you still be here?
My appointment is set up. All right, now on to body care. We are going to Nair. I do not shave. Unless I'm in a hurry, I usually don't shave, I Nair. This is the one that I use, and I use it everywhere. Obviously, I'm really careful when using it down there, but I do use it down there. I use it on my armpits and my legs. That's usually the only 3 places I ever Nair or shave. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this. We're gonna start with my armpits. My armpits are actually hairy. I let them actually get hairy. And then we're gonna do my legs. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
All right, so it's been 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Alrighty, armpits are clear. Now onto my legs.
What if I showed you I could change?
Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, counting down.
Really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you?
All right, you guys, we are back. It is day 4. Now we are going to go ahead and do my nails. All right, so this is what the design looks like. Very pretty. I'll put a picture on the screen so that it's more clear, but that's what I'm about to do, and y'all are just gonna watch me do that. All right, to help me do my set today, I'm gonna be using Born Pretty. They sent me these nail polishes, and I'll show you guys what they look like.
This love could be
I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the colors as well.
easy. Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So it's not gonna be really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I wanna do that because I want you. I want all of you forever.
Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, I gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me.
Good morning, y'all. It is May 27th, 6:45 in the morning. Why am I not focused? And I'm about to go to my lash appointment. I have to get dressed now. I really can't talk because I have like 20 minutes before I have to leave the house. I am dressed. This is the outfit. Just a workout set and a denim jacket and then some Crocs because I was not, I mean, I'm just going to get my lashes done. It doesn't matter what I'm wearing. I'm not even going to lay my baby hairs. I don't care. Whew, wow, I look busted. But I'm done washing my face. I made sure not to put any product near my eyes so that my eyes would be nice and clean when she did my lashes. It is 7 o'clock and I'm gonna leave right now, even though it's really early. I just wanna be there on time so that I have time to account for everything. I also wanna give myself time to stop for gas and get money from the bank, so. All right, you guys, I just got to the lash place. It is about 7:45. I got here 15 minutes early. I'm happy I left when I did because had I left at 7:10 when I originally planned to, I would have got here late. And who is trying to pay a late fee? Not me. I will update you guys when I get back out, because I don't think we're allowed to like use our phone when we're in there. You have to have your eyes closed anyways. Y'all, I just got done and I love them. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. She was so nice. Didn't take her long at all. Alrighty, y'all, I just got back home. Here's a better look at the lashes. I love it. She did her thing. I'm gonna put her information on the screen as well as in the description box below. Support a Black-owned business, period. Okay, I'm tired because I definitely went to sleep after 3 a.m. and then I had to wake up at 6:45 and I barely, y'all, when I say I barely slept, I barely slept. So I'm gonna take a nap. Later on in the day, I will go ahead and do my makeup, go outside, take some pictures, and then close out this video. All right, you guys, I beat my face, and that is the end of this maintenance week. This was actually this took a lot longer than I anticipated, but we got it done. Nails done, lashes done, hair done, even though I'm about to take it out soon, all that good stuff. I just took some pictures outside. I might go out and take some more in a little bit, but yeah, I'll go ahead and insert some of the pictures here because I'm pretty sure I got some good ones finally, because it's been so long since I was able, since I've been able to feel pretty enough to take pictures. So yeah, hopefully there's some in there that I like. If you made it this far into the video, comment what your favorite part of the video was. It is Saturday, so I have to get this video edited for y'all ASAP so that it can go up. I already have majority of it edited. I just have to edit this footage right here. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. And also, if you want to, I am selling my old wigs. I just sold 3 and I have a lot more to go. I don't just sell my used ones, I sell brand new ones as well, like ones that I just don't see myself wearing, or ones from brands who said they would pay me and didn't pay me. So yeah, if y'all are interested in that, my wig Instagram is Abijah's Wigs, I think, and it's in the description box as well. Every wig I put on there is super cheap. Go check it out. Also, make sure you head over to my community tab to vote for which video you like to see next. I always ask you guys what video you want to see next, and I go in order from most voted to least voted. If there's a video you want to see, make sure you suggest it, drop some video ideas, and I will post them in the community tab, and y'all will get to vote for what video y'all like to see next, okay? It really helps me know what to film the following weeks. That is all for this video now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.